Now, how could you get the iPhone control center on the Android? Let's get into it. Well, there is a specific app which you might be interested in, and it is called Mi Control Center. So you can literally just look it up inside of the Google Play Store. This is what it looks like, and it is an app with 10 million plus downloads. So it's probably a good one. And if you check it out, it looks very similar to the iPhone, and it gives you much more control over it. So you can go ahead and just install it, and at first just go through the setup process. It asks you if you want to become the Pro subscriber, which you can be, not necessarily have to be. And then you're gonna notice that you can just go through it. And essentially, you can just set it up like that. You can just enable it like this. So at first, you just customize it below. You can see a couple of different things which you can check out. And at the top of the page, you have like this on and off button. So you can click on it. And you need to make sure that the app gets access to all of the things. So you have to go through the settings and give it access to everything that it asks you to. So you can just enable it like that, and every single thing, right? So if it asks for the dual SIM, Bluetooth access, for notifications access, everything has to be enabled. And yeah, this is how you can ensure that the app will actually work. And once you do turn it on and go through it, it will basically just get it working, right? So you can see everything has to be allowed like that. And now when you swipe it down from the top, you can see this is what it looks like. You can see that I actually have different action based on where I swipe down. So if I swipe down from the top right, just like on the iPhone, I get the control center. But if I swipe down somewhere in the middle, it gives me the notifications panel. So you can see that it works well, like all of the things will work for the brightness and all of the controls. So I'm pretty sure that you're going to get the most out of the app if you configure it properly. So let me know below in the comments if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more guides and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos.